go say that straight, bro. Him not have a clue if you go to them thing there. So from the time me I think as well say this man just give me a pervy feeling from first he give me a pervy feeling. I mean, I don't know why, but he give me just the amount of thing when do in the morning and involve the bathroom with Jayden and the next little boy there. They are bush.
I say, oh, you look him at 12. I say, him at 12 years old, I have to help him to get ready.
Yeah. No go so. My little boy from my little boy about 9-year old, me never know him something. Me not know him something still. Cause him not involved in nothing like him go beard himself and do all these things and I'm my son that. And that honor your blood son. So you're too close to this little boy, man. That's the thing to me at first. So me I think I said this little man too close.
You know, Tiger, that was a question for me. Because him gonna say Demar can't ready himself. So and Jayden, you know Jayden and little one, Jayden needs somebody. I'm saying why would a 12-year-old need somebody? Because even 6-year-old and 7-year-old get themselves ready. Like why do a 12-year-old need somebody?
But if Jayden need help to get himself ready, all them have him round about to take care of goat and all these things. If him can't do something as simple as get himself ready.
Have him look after the baby as well. If the
Exactly.
or them have him look after the baby, that them blame him. Mr. T, people don't think Mr. T so innocent like how Mr. T so innocent. No. Even if he act up for the things that he's abused.
The first person here number one by the black by the first Monday, I feel himself. As I said, obviously, I have to chop and change as more me get the information. More me get the information and the more me chop and change. Alright, now I'm moving from this spot over there right now, brother.
We have to understand Mr. T as well when the person first. The whole heap of body movements and the pointing. And when you really are convinced someone and you're nervous, you know when they catch someone.
Who are you trying to convince, Speedy, yourself or others?
Yeah, you know when they catch someone or do something and before them even talk, them a pint. Yeah, so I that with him as well where It just
Fishy.
for some reason.
Yeah,
It's like him try to prove a point.
Greetings, family.
Yeah.
Bless up. Big up, Tiger. Big up, family.
Give me a pervy feeling. I don't know if I don't know, but from first, he just give me a pervy feeling. That man there, I don't understand, but that man there, I don't know boy, but. And then the next thing, then I wanna see him niece him stepdaughter, the little baby mom down close to him. So why would she would a cover for him as well? Why would she would a cover for him?
I asked
So
that
it
question.
It's supposed to be a set.
just go around all around in a way. I would understand it.
That's the goal, Speedy, to have us the same way we are, confused. Everything about this case is to keep us confused. Because 1 minute you hold on to something and say, this look to be it. And then, when you realize, you say, wait. And 1 minute you say, the way how Mr. T talk about Shanique, why is even him covering for Shanique? Because he do not talk about Shanique as a good stepdaughter.
I wonder if Mr. T have something to do with the 2-year-old too.
Mr. T would not be covering for Shanique because Mr. T said she going like she better than we. If you think somebody going like they're better than we,
That was
why are
clams
you
right there. That
covering
was
for
a
them?
gauge if I've ever seen one.
It's so many things into this. When I comb through it and I look at it, I'm like, does this even make any sense?
A cute girl at the end of the day, that's his family too, so you can't say that.
If self-love, if it's something done by Shanique alone, he wouldn't be covering.
What happened?
Because I pretend like him a cover for somebody else.
Shanique know what happened, that's why she take for herself. She know what happened and Mr. T a cover for himself and him a try to make it seem like him a cover for Shanique, but something or something right this.
And Kim Possible, if you really comb through this thing, you'll realize that Mr. T is the first person that chose Shanique underneath the bus.
Alright.
You know what there's a talk in the community right now, right? That Mr. T said he is not letting down his wife and his daughter.
Then Tiger, why wouldn't he say that?
Tough luck, bud.
Me saying that, you know what I mean? Making the community think that
Tough luck, bud.
think that my wife and daughter is guilty of something, and I'm not gonna put them out there that they're guilty. That is making you know they're guilty without saying they're guilty.
I'm telling you something.
Even if for them wife and daughter,
Right now, everybody know my stand, right? Everybody know my stand. And you see through some of the conversation, they might push me more to go hard upon the family. So you see, if owner say right now it's true, if owner say right now it's true, why then? Why if what owner said to me right now is true? Why the old crocodile and our eye and that and come push back Mr. T and I busted? So what happened? Why? Mr. T push the man at the bus and they here. Why them not come back to
like
push man
that?
at the bus?
because Mr. T can pretend like he do it for the little boy as well. You never know.
Tiger, you know, realize that if Mr. T is the one at fault, the rest of the family don't know that it's Mr. T.
Mr. T, see this loud and clear. Oh, we near you then a different country. We say Mr. T, go film them and I bus. And what happened? And Steve want that glass them up for 9 years.
Not only that, Tiger, let me ask you this. If my husband come tell such a lie for my daughter, and I make people even angrier than all them is, honestly, me and him have to go separate.
But Shonda, didn't you hear that they were separated?
No, but that wasn't immediately.
Me not talking about separation.
That wasn't immediately.
I gotta read the requirements.
And me would have come back out, come clear the statement and make people know so what you say a lie.
You know why we have all of this conversation on the internet and a lot of people not taking it serious. I want to know, sir, unaliving situation is one of the ice murder on the land.
Exactly.
You know that? That is the ice crime on the land, unaliving. And if me there with that girl right now, and that the girl that come and accuse my son of unaliving, and me knows a liar, tell me I defend the son. If me know say I tell lie about my son, me I defend him. So Mr. T, as I want to say, Mr. T, I fling them under the bus one by one. I mean I fling them under the chain. Come on, man.
But all of them were lying.
Them
are lying. Shanique lie. And lie. The whole of them tell lie.
You see if them come out, come chat and get Mr. T upset. Mr. T must start run like river and spread out like sea. That's why they can't chat. That if them come out to come chat, them have to say Mr. T and tell lie. Because they can't say I figure that.
Exactly, and them cannot do that.
Them cannot say, if them come out right now, when am I going to say more Mr. T? Oh, he make a little mistake in the morning. I don't mistake, Mr. T making a Mr. T make a whole beef steak. With the steak, when the time when he goes in police station, the time when Shadis come from foreign, the time when he go hospital, the time when he buy soup, that's a mistake. Oh, that is the reason why they cannot come out come say, my dad says I go to spiritual heal, but I actually didn't. I didn't. No, I didn't.
Did you know? Okay, so are we
run like that's all Goro Canel. They can't do it. You know,
if she was trying to provide transparency, right?
Hold on. You know, Mr. T come over and come tell me the other night. What did Mr. T say to me the other night, 2 nights ago? What Mr. T said to me?
Put your Tiger, so you have to say.
I have no evidence.
I wasn't here when Mr. T came. I don't know.
Can it be that the child got hurt, Shani came to Jamaica, and then all of a sudden, Jayden just disappeared?
Like, are we dead ass right now?
Right now, me make a bet. Me make a bet with crocodile. Me make a bet. A matter of fact, me make a bet with the whole swamp. Whole swamp, me make a bet with.
Oh my God.
Tell them say, if they think them bad. Hamisha, our man, our crocodile. Tell them say, me, Tiger say, if they ever think them bad, put a foot out here and say, one little sit with Mr. T like, and see if we don't crack the case wide open. Tell them, say, any one of them from over the swamp feels that them bad. Come out here and say, just say Mr. T. I'm a fact, just say Mr. T never buy the soap the morning. Tell them if you just come out and come say Mr. T never did buy no soap. And you say something. You see how Mr. T mouth start run like river. Because Mr. T, this is Mr. T come like me. He can't keep down nothing. You see me? Come like our fridge. I'll let you plug me in this thing at the frost.
Tiger,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? What I'm looking at this, listen to what you were saying. It is a round of different people doing different things to Jayden.
Well, the mother, Angie said she don't believe like the boy that get no disadvantage. So,
She wouldn't have known. Listen, there's this thing called grooming. There's thing called grooming where they don't trouble the child until they get the perfect opportunity. But they're gonna be good to the child. So she wouldn't have known. It's a grooming process.
Cute girl, did you know that the mother said she'll travel? So when she travel, Mr. T wouldn't be there with the child and them are alone?
Okay,
So why would he wait till
Shanda,
now?
it doesn't matter. Andreen wouldn't know if something happened 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 100 times. She wouldn't know unless Jayden built up that courage enough to go to her and face her. There's people who things like that happen to, and there were people that they could have tell, and it is 50, 20, 60, 80, 100 years before they say
And
nothing.
Mr. T gave money. Mr. T gave money for shut him out.
I would not go so
No
far.
matter what nobody wants to say, even if for some other way man alive or missing, it's still not my head think Mr. T a trouble that look about it.
But let me tell you something. You know why me don't really take one of it? I'm not opposed to what I said. I'm not opposed to what I said. I'm not take it. You know why I'm not take it? I feel that Jayden missing solely and wholly up at that little past Spider-Man foot. And I think
Exactly. We have got too much all over the place.
No, Tiger, listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. If you have a situation where a group of people is not the best of friends, but yes, each other is covering a little part, there's a chance that this one don't know, this one has covered up a little part that...
as I say, me not dispute what I said. Me not dispute not what I said. And me not get involved in what I said. But as I said, me personally, just I put Jayden disappearance solely on Spider-Man foot. That's what I said.
Then you have to talk
Just I said, me I put it.
and say not care about him.
To me-
And say we are not bad, not care.
To me,
So I have to
Shanique was the
realize
only
that.
one with motive. She's the only one I think did
In
something.
your, you don't
and-
know, Shanda.
Listen,
Visible motive.
I said, listen to me. Stop cutting me. I'm saying this is my opinion, right?
Right.
She's the only one. That's what I'm saying. She's the only one to me. Because nothing that I'm saying is factual. Right? So this is my opinion and my belief. She's the only one that had motive because something happened. And right after something happened to her child, the person that they're alleged that they're saying was playing with the baby went missing. She flying out the country also same time. Now I think whatever happened to him because of her, everybody else is covering for her. He would have still be alive and alright if she never come to Jamaica.
I'm gonna play something. I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you why the reason why me is stuck in my ways, right? I'm gonna play something. Mute up for a second. I'm gonna play something. And these are the reasons why I'm stuck in my ways. You know?
And Jayden, we see him on the road and walk past her like nothing more. Okay, we're living at the place where I want to talk about some foolish one.
Hold on.
My father, people are telling my mother. So just stop look where I'm going to tell you. I don't go to school.
Them are sitting there.
1 week in school.
These conversations what make me hold my
And
thing.
we are looking for Jayden every single day. Till people are tear down my father, people are tear down my mother. So just stop, look better, we leave it to the police.
Right. Alright. Find the next one.
I'm gonna mind Jayden turn up right on the boat, man. Jayden, we see him up on the road and walk past him. Then on the road, you know it.
So as I say, I say everybody now them up in the boat.
1 week in I go school, me in a food farm. I go school for 1 week. And we are looking for Jayden every single day. Till people are tear down my piece. I'm gonna mind Jayden turn up right now and say man like that. That's all like noir. I tell you the two allegation will be job coming in the shop. She can't take Jayden. The police have me statement yesterday. Because me go station and me stay. And come back and me and yesterday.
No, so question. So when was the first time the police ever take nobody for questions?
And you know what I feel say?
Bicycle.
Listen to this.
When I got Mandeville, me I carry Jayden with me, can go down a state and make up Jayden birthday in November. And I say I carry Jayden and make a bouncy birthday. And now for this year say all of this can go and it hurt me, bro. I mean, me are basically in bigger brother, me are the only brother.
Alright. If that way you say look a while now, me not tell me says Jayden now hold it in full control and yourself hold it if you still hold it because I November me back, me a Scorpio. We not stay so we are one passionate type of people, we care for people, we don't hurt people. November people don't hurt people feelings. Let me tell you, we can't take no more people feel so we are one of the biggest things.
Let me take out that person out of my life. Just think like, oh, me have commit a criminal offense. Move.
What kind of criminal offense you have committed?
But you know, God just because me are 15, them say, oh, you're good. You're falling over here to speak.
TikTok,
You don't understand.
We don't look no close, you know. Me I tell you how me feel. You know why? Me a father to tell you something. You take me for 1 week. 1 week. The world never accept everybody.
Oh, we can't find the next one, man. Let them take it off.
Since you want me answer.
Which one?
The only thing me tell you.
Alright, listen to this. Listen to this.
Listen now. The grandmother say she tell Jayden say she must careful. He must careful next time. Yes, that is what she tell him. Listen now. The young mother, the 2-year-old mother said she get a call and here say the baby drop off of the bed. And a baby drop off, man. One drop off. In the bed on the settee, him jump off of the settee and jump on Jayden. Jayden move and then him drop and broke the femur bone. But I first me I hear that same jump on Jayden. Never hear that.
Yeah, I first. Me hear that. Because, alright, the first story will come out, see? Jayden left with the baby. To look over the baby.
So, me understand on a concern. I wanna say, I say, me can't get involved in it because my mind not done this up. Right? This is Jayden saying that the little boy jumped off of the sofa. I'm sorry, Demar said the little boy jumped off of the sofa, jump on Jayden, and Jayden move and then jump and broke in femur bone, right? Mr. T in a Mr. T interview, Mr. T said Jayden never sent jump on the little boy. Between the mother interview, the mother said Jayden said in call to Jayden said the little boy dropped and broke in and licking leg. In the next crocodile daughter one, she said she don't know who can say that. So I am saying, in my opinion, I am taking it right where the baby damaging foot. And that's what me thing start from. Because that just a little accident are 4 different scenario, 4 different way. And that's the problem. Why one breaking foot have so much problem? Have so much. You tell me now, say, because remember I know, and when we attack, when we say, oh, these people not doing something, these people not say that. When we talk about this video here, I was told, and I am quoting, I must say Jayden tell Demar, cause may I say, you're telling me now, say, the baby dropped and broke his foot, And the auntie state that Demar was not in the room. And I can play the tape because I know me I said to them, I can play the tape. When they said Demar, they asked the crocodile, she said, I baby and Jayden alone in the room. Right? When me ask, oh Demar know that, them tell me say, I must say Jayden tell Demar in the car. And in the car, we already know say the crocodile allegedly sit in the back of the car with Jayden. So Demar have to the front seat. Unless you are gonna tell me say Demar Jaron Jayden is and whisper in the night tell him, or Uno gonna say, you know what? Jayden tell him when them out of the car asleep. Alright, take that from them because I know they're gonna come back up like that. So I say, alright, you are telling me that a 12-year-old kid will have sense, and me now I gotta tell my cousin say the baby hurt himself. I gotta tell the cousin say, hey, you know say he jump after me on my side in jump. You're telling me that Jayden would have go and tell that story with Demar repeat to Demar, and anybody believes that would have happened? Okay.
Talking about is it she who said like that?
No. When the guy said to Demar, say, in the ear, so the auntie said, Jayden must be careful when about with the baby. Demar said that's all she said, meaning his mom.
I thought he mean like that how Ann tell him Jayden, like I thought Ann is the one who tell him Jayden sight the baby and all of that now.
No, because Ann say over here, so Ann say over this side, and come have the next one over here. So Ann say a Jayden alone did in the room with the baby and never in there. And when she called to Jayden and asked Jayden what's wrong with the baby from her room, Jayden said the baby fell and licked in foot or in leg. That's what Ann say over here, so. And that is my concern. If Demar know what happened to the baby, and the crocodile don't know what happened to the baby, Mr. T don't know what happened to the baby, the hyena don't know what happened to the baby, and Demar was at shop. Well, you see my frustration? The only person that know what happened to the baby was at shop. The only person that know what's happened to Spider-Man was at shop. And yet still, I asked Mr. T if he tell them or say, if he send me 6 letter number, I'll know him not text me back.